Now it is time for the functions in C. The conditions, loops, and the functions are important, crucial parts of any programming languages, and the function is one of them. Okay, the user-defined functions. I called these user-defined functions because there are also library functions like printf. Printf is a library function, but we will see how to define a function ourselves for ourselves. Okay, so let's start with this description. Functions are blocks of code designed to perform specific tasks. They make programs modular, reusable, and easier to understand. If you couldn't understand anything, or if you couldn't get the whole idea, with the help of an example, it will be easier, hopefully. Okay. Also, I would like to mention the functions in math is quite similar to functions in programming. Okay. So let's try to implement this. 2 multiplied x minus 3 in our example. Okay, and with this example I will try to explain what these means. Hopefully it will be clear, more clear. And this is the function template, we will see later. For now, let's try to implement this. Integer x, for now let's say it is 5. Here it is variable x, it can change, but we will see this later. For now, let's say it is equal to 5. Then what we are doing, multiplying by 2, then subtracting 3. X is equal to x multiplied 2 multiplied x, then subtracting 3 from the result, x minus 3. Yeah, let's see the result. Printf percent d for the integers and x. Let's calculate first. 5 multiplied to 10 minus 3, 7. We expect to see 7, right? I'm running now. Okay, grandpa. 7. So imagine you have more and more code. In that case, the main function here would be quite messy, right? So instead of putting everything inside here, let's define a function, and in this way we would have more organized and reusable code. This is the template for defining a function, and let's copy and let's define our first function together. I will uncomment the return type. For now we won't return anything, and we will see the functions with returning values. Okay, if it doesn't return anything, void. The return type is void. And any name, almost any name, uh, let's say multiply, because we are multiplying first and subtracting. You can give any name, multiply, subtract. Okay, then parameter list. For now it is empty. This will be like input of the function, but for now it is empty for the sake of simplicity. Okay, and we can leave it empty. Also, I see some people doing this void here too, but you can leave it empty. And the return value, this will be another lesson, another video. Okay, it's optional, so we can simply delete. And this is input, parameter list, return type, function name, and the code. What we would do, we would take this here, we would clean the main function to make it organized. Okay, so we defined our function. Somehow we need to call it here, invoke. FYI, it is called invoke. Some people say invoking a function, and they are saying calling a function. We need to call this function inside main function. For that, you need the name of the function, then open and close parentheses. Okay, as you can see, the main function is more organized now. It is more organized. So we will have the same result when I run code. Okay, I'm running now. 7. Also, you can call a function as many times as you want. For example, I'm calling it 2 times. What do you expect to see? 2 times this printf. 7 7 7 7. It is side by side because we don't have line break. Okay, now, okay, as you can see, this is the idea for the functions. Okay, I hope this is clear, and we will have more lessons on the functions. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a good day.